Hello students, this is Mamta Mund and I am the subject matter expert in mathematics. Today we will solve some mathematics questions on measurement of grade 4. Measurement is the most important chapter in mathematics. Let's get started. We have first problem. First question is convert the following into centimeter. We have given the meter and we have to convert the meter into centimeter. We know 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. First number is given as 3 meters. We have to convert 3 meter as centimeter. 3 meter, we know 1 meter is 100 centimeter. So we have to multiply 3 meter multiplied by 100. 3 multiplied by 100 equal to 300 centimeter. So 3 meters we get 300 centimeter. Next question is 5 meter 25 centimeter. We have to convert 5 meter 25 centimeter into centimeter. We know 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So 5 meter will be 5 multiplied by 100 centimeter plus 25 centimeter equal to 5 multiplied by 100 is 500. 500 centimeter plus 25 centimeter. So we get 525 centimeter. Next, third question is 17 meter. 17 meter. 17 multiplied by 100 centimeter. So we get 17 multiplied by 100 is 1700 centimeter. So 17 meter equal to 1700 centimeter. Fourth question is 21 meter 9 centimeter. We have to convert 21 meter 9 centimeter into centimeter. We know 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So we multiply 21 meter multiplied by 100. 21 multiplied by 100 centimeter plus 9 centimeter. So we get 21 multiplied by 100 is 2100, 2100 centimeter plus 9 centimeter. So we get 2109 centimeter. So 21 meter 9 centimeter equal to 2109 centimeter. Next we move to second question. We have given the second question is convert the following into meters. We have given the numbers in kilometer. We have to convert kilometer into meter. First question, first bit is 9 kilometer. We have to convert 9 kilometer into meter. We know 1 kilometer is 1000 meter. So 9 kilometer will be 9 multiplied by 1000 meter equal to 9000 meter. Second bit is 4 kilometer 378 meter. We have to convert 4 kilometer into meter. 4 multiplied by 1000 meter plus 378 meter equal to 4000 meter plus 378 meter equal to 4378 meter. So we get 4 kilometer 378 meter equal to 4378 meter. Third bit is 2 kilometer. We have to convert 2 kilometer into meter. 1 kilometer, we know 1 kilometer is 1000 meter. So we have to multiply 2 kilometer. 2 multiplied by 1000 meter equal to 2000 meter. Fourth bit is 7 kilometer 72 meter. We have to convert 7 kilometer 72 meter into meter. We know 1 kilometer is 1000 meter. So 7 kilometer will be 7 multiplied by 1000 meter plus 72 meter. So 7000 meter plus 72 meter equal to 7072 meter. So we get 7 kilometer 72 meter equal to 7072 meter. Now we move to third question. We have third question is add the following. We have to add the meter and centimeter. First bit is given as 51 meter 17 centimeter plus 15 meter 71 centimeter. We have to separate meter and centimeter into column. First is 51 meter, 51 meter and 15 meter. 51 and 15 meter in one column. Here in meter 51 given is 51 meter and this 15 meter. So we write down meter in meter column 51 and this 15 in 1 meter column, and in centimeter column write down 17 and 71. In centimeter column 17 and 71. Now you have to add this meter and centimeter. First we add this centimeter. 7 plus 1 is 8 and 1 plus 7 will be 8. So you get 88 centimeter. Then we go to meter column. Meter 51 plus 15. 1 plus 5 is 6 and 5 plus 1 is 6. So we get 66 meter. So we get 51 meter 17 centimeter plus 15 meter 71 centimeter is 66 meter 88 centimeter. Now second bit given is 18 meter 05 centimeter plus 16 meter 27 centimeter. We have to write down the meter and centimeter separately. First write down 18 meter and 16 meter in meter column. Then move to 5 centimeter and 27 centimeter, write down 5 centimeter and 27 centimeter in centimeter column. Then we add first centimeter column. 5 plus 7 is 12, write down 2 and take the carry over 1. Then add carry over 1 plus 0 plus 2. 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 2 is 3, write down 3. We get 32 centimeter. Then move to meter column. 8 plus 6 is 14, write down 4 and take the carry over 1. Then add carry over 1 with 1 and 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. We get 34 meter. We get 18 meter 05 centimeter plus 16 meter 27 centimeter is 34 meter and 32 centimeter. We can do this addition using Vedic math technique also, that is from left to right. First we add meter column, then we go to centimeter column. You can check that my Vedic math tutorials in, and I will send the links in my description. You go to that description and check the link how to add Vedic math, how to add numbers using Vedic math. That is most powerful technique. You can check that link in my description. Now we have to solve the fourth question. Find the difference without carrying meter and centimeter. Without carrying, we have to subtract the numbers in meter and centimeter. First bit given is 5 meter 36 centimeter minus 2 meter 24 centimeter. First write down this meter and centimeter separately. In meter column write down 5 meter and 2 meter. 5 and 2. In meter column 5 meter and 2 meter, and in centimeter column write down 36 centimeter and 24 centimeter. 36 and 24. First subtract in centimeter column. 6 minus 4 is 2 and 3 minus 2 is 1. We get 12 centimeter. Next move to meter column. 5 minus 2 equal to 3 meter. We get 3 meter 12 centimeter. Now second bit is 9 meter 98 centimeter minus 4 meter 84 centimeter. We have to subtract meter and centimeter. First write down 9 meter and 4 meter in meter column, and then write down 98 centimeter and 84 centimeter in centimeter column. Then we first subtract in centimeter column. 8 minus 4 is 4 and 9 minus 8 is 1. We get 14 centimeter. Then move to meter column. 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4 is 5 meter. We get 5 meter 14 centimeter. We get 9 meter 98 centimeter minus 4 meter 84 centimeter is 5 meter 14 centimeter. Now we have to solve fifth question. Fifth question given is express the following in grams. We have given the numbers in kg and we have to convert kg into grams. We know first bit given is 5 kg. We have to convert 5 kg into gram. We know 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. So multiply 5 multiplied with 1000 gram equal to 5000 gram. So we get 5 kg equal to 5000 gram. Second bit is 1 kg 25 gram. We have to convert 1 kg 25 gram into gram. So we know 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. So multiply 1 with 1000 gram. We get 1000 gram plus 25 gram equal to 1000 gram plus 25 gram equal to 1025 gram. Next third bit is 67 kg. 67 kg. We have to convert 67 kg into kilogram. 67 we know 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. 67 multiplied by 1000 gram equal to 67,000 gram. Next fourth bit is 9 kg 750 gram. We have to convert 9 kg 750 gram into gram. We know 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. So multiply 9 kg. 9 multiplied by 1000 gram. 9 multiplied by 1000 gram is 9000 gram plus 750 gram. So we get 9000 gram plus 750 gram equal to 9750 gram. Next move to sixth question. Now we have to solve question number 6. Question number 6 is convert the following into kilogram and gram. First bit is given as 3680 gram. We have to convert this gram into kilogram. We know 1000 gram is 1 kilogram. So we can write 3680 as 3000 plus 680 gram, and 3000 is 3 multiplied by 1000 gram plus 680 gram. So we get 3 multiplied by 1000 gram. 1000 gram is 1 kg. So we get 3 multiplied by 1 kg is 3 kg and 680 gram. So we get 3 kg 680 gram. So 3680 gram equal to 3 kg 680 gram. Second bit is 8750 gram. We know 8750 equal to 8000 plus 750 gram. 8000 is 8 multiplied by 1000 gram plus 750 gram. So 8 multiplied by 1000 gram. We know 1000 gram is 1 kg. So 8 multiplied by 1000 gram is 8 kg plus 750 grams. So we get 8 kg 750 gram. Third bit is 5678 gram. We have to convert 5678 gram into kilogram and gram. 5678 equal to 5000 plus 678 gram. We know 1000 gram equal to 1 kg. So 5000 equal to 5 multiplied by 1000 gram plus 678 gram. We know 1000 gram equal to 1 kilogram. So 5 multiplied by 1000 gram is 5 multiplied by 1 kg equal to 5 kg and 678 gram. So we get 5 kg 678 gram. 5678 gram equal to 5 kg 678 gram. Fourth bit is 9551 gram. We have to convert 9551 gram into kilogram and gram. 9551 equal to 9000 plus 551 gram, and this 9000 equal to 9 multiplied by 1000 gram. As we have to convert gram to kilogram, so 9000 we can write 9000 equal to 9 multiplied by 1000 gram plus 551 gram, and we know 1000 gram is 1 kilo, 1 kilogram, 1 kg. 9 multiplied by 1000 gram is 9 multiplied by 1 kg equal to 9 kg. 9 kg and 551 gram. So we get 9551 gram equal to 9 kg 551 gram. Next we move to 7th question. Now we have to solve question number 7. Question number 7 is add the following. First bit is given is 6 kg 500 gram and 3 kg 700 gram. We have to add 6 kg 500 gram and 3 kg 700 gram. First write down 6 kg and 3 kg in kilogram column and 500 gram and 700 gram in gram column. Then add the gram column first. 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0 and 5 plus 7 is 12. Write down 2 here and take the carry over 1 into kilogram column. Then add 1 plus 6 plus 3. We get 10 kilogram and 200 gram. So we get 6 kg 500 gram and 3 kg 700 gram. When we add, we get 10 kg 200 gram. So 6 kg 500 gram plus 3 kg 700 gram equal to 10 kg 200 gram. You can add this using Vedic maths also from left to right method. That is most powerful method. You can done this calculation without pen and paper. You can check that link in my description box. I can give that link in my description box. It's Vedic maths addition. That is most powerful method in Vedic mathematics. You can do that calculation without pen and paper mentally. Now move to second bit. Now we have to add 5 kg 250 gram and 3 kg 600 gram. First write down kilogram and gram separately. 5 kg and 3 kg in kilogram column and write down 250 gram and 600 gram in gram column. Then add gram column. 0 plus 0 is 0, 5 plus 0 is 5, and 2 plus 6 is 8. So we get 850 gram. Then move to kilogram column. 5 plus 3 is 8. Write down 8 kg. So we get 5 kg 250 gram plus 3 kg to 600 gram is 8 kg 850 gram. Now we have to solve question number 8. Solve the following. First bit given is 36 kg 258 gram minus 12 kg 578 gram. First write down kilogram and gram separately. 36 kg and 12 kg in kilogram column and 285 gram and 578 gram in gram column. Then we have to subtract. First subtract the gram column. Here 5 minus 8. We can't subtract 5 and 5 minus 8. So take the carryover from 8. We get 15. Now the number is 15. 15 minus 8 is 7. Write down 7 here. Then this 8 now becomes 8 minus 1 is 7. 7. Now subtract 7 minus 7. 7 minus 7 is 0. Write down 0. And now this here we can't subtract 2 minus 5. We can't subtract 5 from 2. So we have to take the carryover from kilogram column. So now this 2 becomes 12. 12 gram minus 5 gram is 7. So write down 7. And now this in kilogram column. Now move to kilogram column. This 6 becomes 6 minus 1 is 5. Every carry over to that gram column. So this 6 becomes 5. Now we have to subtract 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. Write down 3 here. And 3 minus 1 is 2. So we get 23 kg 707 gram. So we get 36 kg 285 gram minus 12 kg to 578 gram equal to 23 kg 707 gram. We can do this calculation using Vedic Maths method also, that is from left to right. You can check that link in my description box. I will give that link in description box, and you can go to that description box and you can check that link, that Vedic Maths subtraction, how to subtract the numbers using Vedic Maths method, that is from left to right. That is most powerful method in Vedic mathematics. You can do that calculation without pen and paper mentally. Now we have to solve second bit. Second bit is 8 kg 095 gram minus 6 kg 235 gram. First write down kilogram and gram separately. Write down 8 kg and 6 kg in kilogram column, and write down 095 gram and 235 gram in gram column. Now first subtract from gram column. 5 minus 5 is 0 and 9 minus 3 is 6, and we can't subtract 2 from 0. So we have to take the carryover from kilogram column. Now this 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. Write down 8. Now we get 860 gram. Now move to kilogram column. Now this 8 becomes 8 minus 1 7, as we have carry over from kilogram column to gram column. So now this 8 becomes 8 minus 1 equal to 7. Now subtract 6 from 7. 7 minus 6 is 1. So we get 1 kg. Write down 1 kg. So we get 8 kg 095 gram minus 6 kg 235 gram is 1 kg 1 kilogram 860 gram. Now move to ninth question. Question number 9. Now we have to solve question number 9. And question number 9 is convert the following into milliliters. First bit is 8 liter. We have to convert 8 liter into milliliter. We know 1 liter is 1000 ml. So multiply 8 multiplied with 1000 ml. We get 8000 milliliter. So 8 liter equal to 8000 milliliter. Second bit is 3 liters. We have to convert 3 liter into milliliter. 3 multiplied by 1000 ml equal to 3000 ml. 3000 milliliter. So 3 liters equal to 3000 milliliter. Now third bit is 12 liters. We have to convert 12 liters into milliliters. You know 1 liter is 1000 milliliter. 12 multiplied by 1000 milliliter. So we get 12,000 milliliter. 12 liter equal to 12,000 milliliter. Fourth bit is 17 liters. We have to convert 17 liter into milliliter. We know 1 liter equal to 1000 ml. So multiply 17 with 1000 ml. 17 multiplied 1000 ml equal to 17,000 milliliter. So we get 17 liter equal to 17,000 milliliter. Now move to question number 10. Now we have to solve question number 10. Question number 10 is convert the following into liters and milliliters. First bit is given is 2000 milliliter. We have to convert 2000 milliliter into liters. We know 1000 milliliter is 1 liter. So multiplied 2 multiplied with 1000 ml, we get 1000 ml is 1 liter. So 2 multiplied by 1 liter is 2 liters. So 2000 ml is 2 liter. Now second bit is 6450 ml. We have to convert 6450 ml into milliliter, liters and milliliters. So 6450, we have to separate 6450 into liter and milliliter. 6000 ml plus 450 ml. 6000 milliliter equal to 6 multiplied by 1000 milliliter plus 450 milliliter. So we know 1000 milliliter is 1 liter. So multiplied 6 multiplied with 1 liter. So 6 multiplied with 1 liter is 6 liter. And 450 milliliter. So we get 6 liter 450 milliliter. So 6450 milliliter is 6 liter 450 milliliter. Now third bit is 5300 milliliter. We have to convert 5300 milliliter into liters and milliliters. 5300 we can write 5300 equal to 5000 plus 300 ml. 5000 milliliter equal to 5 multiplied by 1000 milliliter plus 300 milliliter. We know 1000 milliliter is 1 liter. So 5 multiplied by 1000 ml equal to 5 multiplied by 1 liter. So 5 multiplied by 1 liter is 5 liter plus 300 ml. 5 liter 300 milliliter. So we get 5300 milliliter equal to 5 liter 300 ml. Now fourth bit is 7000 milliliter. We have to convert 7000 milliliter into liters. So 7000 milliliter equal to 7 multiplied with 1000 milliliter. We get, as we know, 1000 milliliter is 1 liter. So multiplied 7 multiplied with 1000 ml equal to 7 multiplied with 1 liter. 7 multiplied with 1 liter is 7 liter. So we get 7000 milliliter is 7 liter. Now move to question number 11. Now we have to solve question number 11. Question number 11 is add the following. First bit is a 15 liter 660 milliliter plus 12 liter 125 milliliter. We have to separate liter and milliliter. We have to write down 15 liter and 12 liter in liter column and 660 milliliter and 125 milliliter in milliliter column. Now we have to add liter and milliliter. First we go to milliliter column. 0 plus 5 is 5, 6 plus 2 is 8 and 6 plus 1 is 7. We get 785 milliliter, 785 ml. Next go to liter column. 5 plus 2 is 7, 1 plus 1 is 2. So we get 27 liter. So we get 15 liter 660 milliliter plus 12 liter 125 milliliter is 27 liter 785 milliliter. Now move to second bit. Now we have to solve the second bit. Add the liters and milliliters. Second bit is 2 liter 130 ml plus 4 liter 350 ml. We have to separate liter and milliliter. Write down liter, 2 liter and 4 liter in liter column and 130 milliliter and 350 milliliter in milliliter column. Now we have to add liter and milliliter. First go to milliliter column. 0 plus 0 is 0, 3 plus 5 is 8, write down 8 and 1 plus 3 is 4, write down 4. We get 480 ml. Now move to liter column. 2 plus 4 is 6. We get 6 liter 480 milliliter. So we get 2 liter 130 ml plus 4 liter 350 ml equal to 6 liter 480 ml. 6 liter 480 milliliter. Now move to question number 12. Now we have to solve the question number 12. Question number 12 is subtract the following without conversion. First bit is given 9 liter 800 milliliter minus 3 liter 500 milliliter. First we have to write down liter and milliliter separately. 9 liter and 3 liter in liter column. Write down 9 liter and 3 liter in liter column, and 800 milliliter and 500 milliliter in milliliter column. Write down 800 and 500 milliliter in milliliter column. Now we have to subtract. Go to milliliter column. 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 minus 0 is 0, and 8 minus 5 is 3. We get 300. Write down 300 ml. Now move to liter column. 9 minus 3 is 6. Write down 6. We get 6 liter. So we get 9 liter 800 milliliter minus 3 liter 500 milliliter equal to 6 liter 300 milliliter. Now we have to solve the bit number 2. Bit number 2 is given as 11 liter 250 ml minus 9 liter 460 milliliter. First write down liter and milliliter separately. Write down 11 liter and 9 liter in liter column, 11 and 9 in liter column, and 250 milliliter and 460 milliliter in milliliter column. Write down 250 and 460 in milliliter column. Now we have to subtract. First go to milliliter column. Here 0 minus 0 is 0. Write down 0, and we can't subtract 6 from 5. So we have to take the carryover 1 from 2. So we get now 5 becomes 15. 15 minus 6 is 9. Write down 9. Then this 2 becomes 1. 2 minus 1 equal to 1. So this 2 becomes 1. We can't subtract from 4 from 1. So we have to take the carryover from liter column. Take the 1 carryover. Now this 1 becomes 11. 11 subtract 11 minus 4 equal to 7. Write down 7. Now we get 790 ml. Now go to liter column. Now this 1 becomes 0, as we have carried over 1 from liter to milliliter. So now this 0, so we have to take the carryover. We can't subtract 0 from 9, 0 minus 9. We can't subtract 9 from 0, so we have to take the carryover from 1. Now this 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 1, 9 is 1. So we get 1 liter. Now 11 liter 250 milliliter minus 9 liter 460 milliliter is 1 liter 790 milliliter. If you like this video, then please click the like button and subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video to your friends. And if you have any doubts in any questions, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Thanks. Thank you. Keep learning and keep watching and subscribe my YouTube channel.